to my channel, Sparkle and Glue. So glad to have you here today. Anyway, so I've been working on some more paper. I'm calling this Midnight Floral because it's some really bright, pretty florals, and it's set on a dark, like a black background. Anyway, so I made a little folio we'll make together. I just wanted to show you the paper that you can download from the Google link, which I'll link below. So this is, which we'll do everything together, but this is the base, and this is the background page that I'm using. Certainly you can use whatever you want. Here is an additional flip, and then a little folder, and then I guess another little folder, and a little cutout. And I also printed that on the back paper. And here are some tags and some little envelopes which we'll just cut out. And I use this for the background paper on that. And we have some corner pockets and some butterflies and stamps and regular pockets. And then this is just a really pretty piece of, I guess it could be background paper or to make something else with. I just really liked it. So anyway, all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out and come back and we'll put it together. Thanks so much. See you soon. Okay, well, we're back and everything is cut out and inked. I used this purple ink pad. It says it's $2.29. I'm not sure if it's still that price or not, and it's from Hobby Lobby, and I really like it, and I just felt like using purple, and I used my little inker. Anyway, so everything's cut. Let's go ahead and start putting this together. So after you cut it out, this is what you're going to have. All right, and then you're going to fold along the lines, and you're going to fold the lines here, and you're going to glue the pocket down so it makes a folio like this. And I know you've probably seen me do this one before, but you can do it either way. So you can fold it this way and have the folio. So you could print a couple of them and make them look totally different just by flipping them inside out. But so I'm using my art glitter glue, and let's go ahead and just glue these down. Don't need a lot of glue. And just going to flip this up to make a pocket. Alright, there you go. Have a pocket, and let's just push down. And then this is your flip page, and again, up to you which side you want to do everything on. I am going to do it this way. So, and I just folded and inked. And you're going to line it up right up to where the paper folds. And you just want to make sure that it's not on the fold lines, right? So this can fold this way and this can still fold in. And just push down. All right, so far this is what we have. And you have a lot of different pockets and different things, and you certainly can set this up any way that you feel like you like it. I'm putting corner pockets in here, but you can put the straight pockets. So I'm just putting glue along the edge, and again I'm lining it up to where it folds and on the bottom, and just pushing down. And then I'm going to do a double pocket on top and doing the same thing, just placing some glue on the outside of the pocket. So, and pushing down. So now you have a pocket here and a pocket here, so double pockets. And then I thought on the inside of our flap of putting the little cutout. So I am just going to place glue on the bottom. And maybe just a drop on the sides going up just a little bit for some stability, but you don't have to do that. And go ahead and push down so this dries. And then this is also then a little pocket. And let's see, how about on the outside, what could we do? I think that looks kind of pretty. So let's just do this pocket. And like I said, just, you know, just have fun. Put the pockets where you want them, or if you don't want so many pockets, don't use them. Save them for another project. And so again, just glue on the outside, and I'm pressing down so we have our pocket. Okay. So far we have a folio that opens this way, pockets, more pockets. I was going to put a pocket on the back outside as well, and I think maybe that one looks nice. So let's go ahead and just put some glue around the corners, or the side, bottom three, and place the pocket down. And I'm just pushing down so it adheres, and maybe make it a little straighter. There. Okay, and now we can start putting in, oh, so the tags, I printed them with double-sided, so you can turn them any way. This one, these pieces are already added on when you print it. I thought it looked kind of cute. And I added some little ribbon I had. So just depending on where you want to place your tags. Let's see, maybe here. It's a little big. So, oh, the little envelopes. So when you print them, this is what you have. And all you're going to do is fold, and then you can glue them down so they stay together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue just on the outside of the one side, and then I'm going to glue the whole flap down. But by doing this, we're leaving a little pocket here. So maybe we can put a little stamp in here or something. And put that in a pocket. And the other envelope, you can, again, put it either way. I'm going to go ahead and do it this way so we have a little contrast. And I'll do the same thing with this one, only glue one side and then the flap. But I don't know what I'm going to put in it right now, so for now, just place the envelope there. And these are, it's a little folder, and you can do it either way. Again, so that it's, you know, pick out paper you like on both sides. You don't have to use what came with the kit. This might be cute with a little stamp on the outside. We could do that. Maybe just kind of right there. And how about a butterfly? So let's glue a little butterfly down. And I'm just letting them come out of this over the sides a little bit. And that since I did this the opposite way, it looks like there's a little contrast there. In here, so maybe this pocket or this folder, we can do this way. let's see. So we still have pieces left over, but like I say, don't have to use everything. But we can if we want. So maybe I'll just glue this down here. Right on the pocket. And why don't we put a butterfly underneath so when you take out the tags that will be there. Maybe just right here. Little butterfly. And maybe one up here, wherever. Oh, how about on the tag? Let's put it on the tag. So many decisions, right? So, how about that? All right. So there we go. And let's put these tags in here. And maybe a little extra stamp. And you have this, and then I thought maybe we could tie it up with a little ribbon. So let's go ahead and just take a look at what we made. And so little, oh, you know, we didn't put anything in the pocket out here, so I don't know, maybe put this. Okay, so certainly a lot of pieces. All right, so it's going to open and then open this way. And you have tags and stamps and a pocket. And then another pocket here with a little folder. And then this opens and you have another little pocket with a little file folder. And then your envelopes where this has the stamp that sort of got stuck with the glue. So maybe don't put it in right when you glue. But anyway, there you go. And a little tag, which we can put either way. And then on the back, a little tag in our pocket. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, Sparkle and Glue. Glad to have you. And again, the link is in the description, so you can go ahead and click on it and get the paper as a gift and go ahead and make it. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks so much. Take care. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.